Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Device Manager and locating Display Adapters. This is where you control VGA drivers. Once done, check the adapter name and Windows system type so you download the matching driver. Make a restore point now so you can roll back if needed. Next, download the official driver from the GPU maker or extract the driver's zip into a named folder and keep that folder open for the next step. You will now perform the actual update. Right-click the GPU entry, choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer for drivers. Make sure to point to the folder containing the extracted driver files. This forces Windows to use the correct package. If you see Have Disk, use it and select the INF file inside the folder. During install, watch for prompts and allow unsigned drivers only if you trust the source. This prevents driver signature blocks from stopping the process. Finish by restarting Windows so the new VGA driver fully initializes and any old driver modules are released. Once rebooted, verify resolution and display adapter properties. Make sure hardware acceleration behaves normally. If you run into problems, open Device Manager and choose Roll Back Driver to revert to the previous version, or uninstall the device and reinstall the driver. For stubborn conflicts, boot into safe mode, remove the driver. Then reinstall the correct package to clear persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.